Can I interest you in an alpine lake forest wonderland? I'm sitting here on the shoreline of the mighty Elk Lake here in Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. Today is October 16th, 2025. It's about 27 degrees, according to my Jeep Wagoneer. And look at how beautiful this area is, my friend. Something very inviting about this crystal clear water. You can see right to the bottom. Look at this. It is a kayaker's paddler's delight. This is as good of a swimming and kayaking lake as exists on planet Earth. Oh man, this is beautiful. So we're in that last week or two before they close the gates for Cascade Lake Scenic Byway for the year. The annual snow deluge starts. Mount Bachelor becomes the epicenter of a winter playground, along with a series of absolutely gorgeous winter snow parks. And you won't be able to come up here for 8 or 9 months, give or take, weather depending on the snowmelt of the subsequent summer. And there's a few months window where you can come up here, enjoy this world-class alpine lake forest wonderland zone, get your camp on, get your boating on, get your hiking on, get your kayaking on, your swimming on. Enjoy this wonderland for all its splendor, for what it is, a world-class destination. And rinse and repeat that cycle every year. So, being the last week or two, I thought I'd make one more final trip to close out the summer 2025 season. We're now into fall. And come appreciate my friends, these lakes, for one last look before they will be inaccessible. Man, this is a really special area. I will also say there's something about the smell. It's just this cold, crisp mountain air. It just invigorates the soul. It just feels good. This brightens up your spirit. There's something about it. Feels like you're communing with something higher than yourself. It just feels great. It's very life affirming, I gotta say. This area, my friend, absolutely beautiful, very special.